we were aware of PHUSE for a while, obviously, been a big part of the industry, and to us, the debate around it was, how do we become part of the fabric of the industry? How do we learn more from our peers, from our competitors? How do we contribute value while also becoming more knowledgeable and understanding of the industry? There's obviously a lot of evolutions and change, and we think PHUSE is a great place to learn about the trends and the things that are impacting the industry. We try to be as engaged as possible. Obviously, here at events, we think there's a lot of energy, a lot of folks that we get to talk with. We're also part of some working groups where we're able to contribute and learn from our peers. And I think education is one of those areas where we're still investigating, but I think there's some good opportunities there. I think it's just keeping our finger on the pulse is the big benefit we get. Like I said, there's a lot of trends, there's a lot of evolution in the industry, so being able to talk to customers, peers, competitors allows us to have better insights in where we need to focus. A better understanding. We know where the industry is going, we know where the expectation of pharmaceutical companies are, so that's the first big gain. The second is being able to increase our brand awareness. Obviously, as a vendor, we're looking to get our name out there a little bit, so I think that's the second thing. And I think the third is just solidifying relationships. There's a lot of people that we talk to now that we wouldn't have in the past. Yeah, I think it's sort of all the things, the education, the working groups, the events, sort of all stream together and focus on, hey, PHUSE as a convener, and I think that's important. There's a need for people who are passionate and care about the same type of topics to have a place to get together and discuss those.